Hey guys, Lee here with Ortiz Performance. Today we're going to take a little bit of a break and just kind of do a quick how-to on how to change the shift knob in a 2022-2023 Toyota Tundra. So a lot of the people we've seen lately are switching out to either the TRD model or the TRD Pro shift knob, similar to this. This is an SR5 model, and it's pretty basic, rubber shift knob. It doesn't have the best feel, plus these little bumps start to wear over time. So one of the things that we've seen whenever we started getting people asking questions, there's a lot of people are going through, and there's a lot of videos online that are talking about, you can swap the shift knob in a few minutes, or you can be able to do this or that, and it's really overcomplicating the process. So if you look at the bottom of your new knob, and I'll drop a part number, there's this little catch right here, and you can see it's going down into the pin that is holding the shift knob in place. So a lot of the videos we're seeing are using a screwdriver, and they're grabbing this spot here and pulling that circlip completely out. You really don't need to do that. So one of the things we're going to show here is literally, a lot of people are claiming you can swap this in 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to show you how to drop it in about 10 seconds. So we found for this, the cup holder is actually the best place to be able to position your camera. So it'll give you a great angle and we won't get in the way. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're just going to take the shift boot and just pull down. It's going to pop and come out of the way. And then, like we said, you're going to look at your shift knob, put it in the same orientation, flip it forward, and you're going to look for that circlip. So you can actually, you don't even need a tool for it. You can reach in here, grab it, pull it to the side, and up she pops. Grab your new one, put it in the same spot, pop it down, pop this back up, and you're done. Easy as pie. So there you go. What is that, a 5-second swap? Everything works back as it should. Pops in, pops out, and there you go.